edit it out. What's up, gang gang? Gang gang. So well, first of all, what's up, YouTube? This your girl Perfect Smiles. I am mad because I did a whole morning routine. To remind y'all, I did a whole morning routine this morning plus a makeup tutorial. Now, my phone, the iPhone, the lovely iPhones, you know how they be saying, oh, you're low on storage. Yeah, so me, while I'm editing on iMovie and stuff, guess what? I delete my video, and when I go back to iMovie, they said, well, you have files missing. I tried to recover, and boom, they're gone. I was so salty. Yes, I was heartbroken. I was mad. So guess what? I went to sleep. That's how mad I was. I went to sleep. Yeah. But anyway, since I have already my makeup on, I'm just gonna show you guys the products that I use and stuff or whatnot. So like this could be like a makeup. It's a makeup something, okay? Something where I tell you guys all the products that I have in my makeup bag. There you go. So let's get started. Okay. I need a little bit of these. Let's do that. Okay, so I have my handy dandy supplies. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys what's all in my bag. So let's open it. Let me show you guys everything that's in here. All this good stuff. The bag is cute. This was my sister's bag, but I took it from her. Anyways, I'm gonna start with this, okay, right here. So, I got these cleansing wipes to remove all the dirt and all the woo-woo and all the bang-bang shebanger. It cleans, deep clean cloth, removes makeup and dirt and oil. You can use this before you put your makeup on or after. It really don't matter. But I do this after I take my makeup off. So yeah. But you can buy these wipes for like... I bought 2 of them. As you can see, this one almost empty. This one, I bought these 2, I think, together was like $5. I think. I don't know. Don't go by what I say because I might be wrong. I bought this. This is everybody's favorite. I'm not sure you guys can see it. I hope so. If you can't, oh well. This is everybody's favorite Airspun loose face powder. I know you guys see this in most of people tutorial videos where they use it to bake their face or whatnot. I'm just gonna go slow for it. Yes, this was kind of expensive. This was like $7.99 for this, but you know, I can see why it's $7.99 because there's a lot in here. So yeah, I bought this from Walmart. You could buy this at your any local store: Walmart, Walgreens, Target, whatever. Okay. This ELF. I know this is everybody's favorite. ELF. Everybody's favorite brand. You know, because this is my favorite. This is actually not mine. This is my sister's, and I think she bought, I don't know where she bought this from, but I took it from her. So it's mine now, huh? And I don't know how much she paid for it, so I can't tell you guys that. I got the Professional Pro Contour Absolute New York for $7.99 at your local beauty supply store. Yes, I am very cheap, so I'm gonna take the cheap way out. Okay. So yeah, this is what it looked like. Open it. Boop, 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 boop. $7.99. Your local beauty supply store. You can't beat that, honey. Elf again. You got your primer. Everybody needs their primer when they're doing their makeup. Yeah. Yep. I don't know how much this was. This probably was like about $6 too. You know, makeup is expensive. You know, I got the little eyeliner, you know, pencil, probably for $1 or something. Yeah. I bought this at the beauty supply store too. I need some more because I'm getting low. LA Girl Pro setting, little setting spray. This was $3.99. So you know, $4 for this. Whatever. At your local, you can get it at your local beauty supply store, girl, or Target, Walmart, yada yada yada, wherever. Yeah. I got these at TJ Maxx for like $3.99. Yeah, the little spongies. I got this clique from Mayfair and Macy's. Okay, this was like, I think like $50 something. I think. Yeah. And the color of my face is 25 Spice. That's the color of mine. You know, you could get it anywhere, but I personally likes this brand because it's awesome. Yes, that's what I have on right now. It's Stay Matte oil free because my face is very oily, especially with my T-zone. Yeah. So yeah, this is the best. I'm not sure what kind of you guys get, but I'm just telling you guys, this is the best. Also the face contour palette, I got this at a beauty supply store. As you guys can see, I use this one the most. Yeah. And this was, I don't know how much this was, but I'm pretty sure it's probably $7. Yeah. Let me see. I bought, let's not do the brushes right now. Face powder, like I said, beauty supply store. I take the cheap way out. Whatever. I'm not rich. This HD concealer. I bought this at Walmart, and I forgot how much this was, but I'm pretty sure it's probably like $5 something. I like this, but I hate using it because I have a hard time using it. If you guys ever use the HD concealer, it looks like this, and it's very hard to use. So I still have some in here, but I have to go buy a new one because I wasn't messing with it. I use this Maybelline New York concealer, and it is $30, honey. I bought this at Walmart for like $3.99. That's about it. Let's see. Let's put all this back. That goes there. That goes in there. Goes in there. This goes in here. And also this goes in there. Okay. So the brushes. Let's get to the brushes. Oh. Also, my sister bought me this for Christmas. Yeah, she bought me this for Christmas because she know I love makeup, and she know I don't play about my makeup. As you are. I mean, my makeup might look kind of jacked up right now because I was so mad that my phone deleted my videos off of iMovie. So I was so mad I went to sleep. So now my makeup kind of mudgy. Yeah. So, yeah, whatever. Anyways, she bought me this, which is a conceal, correct dark spots, correct under eye, correct redness, correct dark circles, and correct dullness. This is the only one I don't use. I don't use the dullness because I don't have any dullness in my face. I'm not trying to throw no shade to people who got dullness in their face. I'm just saying, me personally, I don't have any dullness, so this is the only one that I don't use. But as y'all guys can see, I've been using the other ones because all the other ones I have on my face. Yeah. And I don't know how much. Oh, I think she paid like $5 something for it. Yeah, you know, the cheap stuff works well, just like the expensive stuff. You know, we're not Beyonce, we're not Nicki Minaj, and you know, we're not these people where we can buy expensive stuff. You know, we're broke and they're rich. But I love you guys though. No shade though. I love you guys. Okay. Anyways, let's get to the brushes. Okay. Oh, and what I have on my lip is the Intense Lip Polish. If you guys want to know. Yes, this is me, honey. This is a nude. I love nude. And I don't know how much I paid for this, but I bought this at the beauty supply store as well. Cheap way out, best way. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have a lot of brushes. I actually have more brushes over there, but I don't feel like getting them because I'm lazy. Yeah. So the brushes that I have now, I'm going to tell you guys. This brush, the oval, soft, and smooth brush, blending and contouring brush. This brush works miracle. When I say miracle, miracle. Yes, I bought this at the beauty supply store too, okay? I got to go back and get the other ones. But this one is like $3.99. You can't beat that. Go get this. It's called the Oval Soft Smooth Brush. It's good for contouring. And when you want to blend real good, this is like, yes, just go get it. You get it at the beauty supply store or whatever else you guys can find it at your local stores. But yeah, just get it. Just know I said it. Get it. Let's see. It's that's good. Okay. So like I said in the beginning, the e.l.f. is the best, okay? Is the best. Well, this okay, these are not mine, they're my sister's. As you can see, they have not been used. They have not been used, and I don't know how much she paid for these, but they're good. I just be having her stuff, but this one is mine, and this one. This one is the one that I use for my eyebrows when I'm contouring my eyebrows, because it has like a, let me take it out, show you guys what's up. It has like a little triangle at the top. So like it works best when I'm like contouring my face and I'm getting my eyebrows with the little line. Yeah, that's how I get my eyebrows flicky, as you guys can see. Flick of the eyebrows. Yeah. So that's that. And you can find them actually at Walmart for a whole thing, probably like 13 something. Yeah. Makeup is very expensive. Let you guys know that now. If you want to look pretty, you have to spend some money on makeup. Because when I tell y'all when I was spending my money, I'm like, woo. The struggle of trying to be a female. Like, for real. And then I got my other brushes, which is these Wet n Wild. I love Wet n Wild. Yes, just as well as I love e.l.f. And I forgot where I bought these at. I'm not sure if somebody gave me these or what. But All I know is Wet n Wild is my favorite too, just as well as e.l.f. And when I'm applying my foundation, I use the powder brush because I don't have a foundation brush. So I use this, as y'all can see. Yeah, it gives me, I use this, the powder brush, because the powder brush gives me a lot of coverage on my face. And then, like, if I'm doing a highlight, I use the contour brush. You know, I gotta make do. You know how a little fan is in? Yeah, do that. I fan it like that, do, yada, 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 y'all know the rest. And then, once I'm done applying everything on my face, I use the flat top brush to like blend everything in real good, you know, get that finished look or whatnot. And then I use a small concealer. So like anything as far as like say like if I want to do a highlight under my eyebrows, I use a concealer for that, and y'all know the rest. And I'm pretty sure y'all can get Wet n Wild for a whole pack for like 10 something, because they sell them at Walgreens, to let you guys know. So go and cop that. Don't be cheap, okay? If you want to look pretty, you got to spend some money. Trust me, I hate spending money too. That's a headache. And yeah. I have eyeshadow, but I don't feel like going to get that. I don't really use eyeshadow, to be honest with you guys. I'm just not an eyeshadow type of girl. If I can close this. Okay. So therefore, that was it for the makeup bag that I showed you guys, since my iPhone 7 deleted my video, and my, you know, the iCloud always saying there's no space on the phone. Oh no. Oh yeah. So that's it for today. I don't know when I might pick a days where I'm just gonna post, probably like, I might post just on Sundays, because that's like my only off days. So I think Sundays would be my only post days, to be honest, because during the week I'll be busy and I'll be tired because I have work. Oh no. So yeah, so Sunday will be probably my only day I can do a YouTube video. So yeah. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel, give my video a big thumbs up, comment and let me know what you guys want to see more of, you know. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Yeah, and stay active, viewers, and you know, subscribers and all that good stuff. Yeah, so see you guys next Sunday. Peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's